Hey there, my name is Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase renter's insurance on TenantCloud. Getting renter's insurance for your rental has never been easier. In order to purchase renter's insurance for your rental, you must first be connected to a landlord, and your landlord must send you a move-in agreement. Once your landlord has sent you a move-in agreement, you will click here to review the lease. Next, select Sign the Agreement. Once you have reviewed the summary of the move-in agreement, you will select Continue. On this page, you will see the Renter's Insurance tab. If it's required by the property manager, you will see a red tagline stating so, followed by the option to get a quote, or select the box that I have renter's insurance, at which point you will need to upload proof of insurance for the landlord to review. To purchase insurance, select Get a Quote. Confirm the answer to the question in the pop-up window and select Get a Quote again. On this page, you will be able to view your payment options, your coverages that are part of your insurance policy, and what payment method you are able to use. If you wish to add another name to the policy, you can do that at this point with the button titled Add Additional Name to the Policy under the Insurance Holder Information. Once you have verified that your information is accurate and have selected the payment plan of your choosing, enter your payment information and select Purchase Insurance. Just one of the cool parts about purchasing renter's insurance through TenantCloud, in addition to the fact that it's just plain simple, is that it keeps record of your insurance policy and automatically retains a PDF file for your policy within TenantCloud's account. And that's how easy it is to purchase renter's insurance on TenantCloud.